You can start.
Can you guys hear me still?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The computer froze. Yeah, okay. Okay, so, Abdali's here.
Kayla's here.
Edie's here. Kendall's here. Samantha's here. So the author of The Arrival, his name is Sean Tan. He was born in Perth, Australia in 1974. He is an artist, writer, and filmmaker. He began drawing and painting images for science fiction and horror stories, but now has become known for illustrating books that deal with social and historical subjects through dreamlike imagery. His wordless graphic novel has won many awards like the NSW Premier's Literacy Award and Children's Book Council of Australia for Picture Book of the Year. Also
Hold
the
on.
prize for Swedish translation for The Arrival.
Hold on, I'm doing something. Sorry. Was that all of it?
Forgot where I was. Oh, he also received the prestigious Astrid Lindgren Award honoring his contribution to international children's literature.
Okay, and this book introduces social structure, materials, and working conditions of medieval trade guides. It exercises imagination that presents multiple viewpoints of the cathedral. With the use of imagery, it provides the bird's eye view from like the reader and the height and the depth of the place, and it also puts the reader inside the story. The drawings are also detailed and highly in perspective, so you can like picture yourself being there. And it has a different designs and techniques that are discussed to show the components that support the theme.
Going off of what Kayla said about like how the pictures show depth, his whole thing for this book was creating a story based on immigration and how the process works. So a father has to leave like his wife and kid to go to a different country to seek better opportunities that they couldn't get in their home right now. So he travels to a different land and tries to like seek it. And some people help him out and others don't just because like he's new and he's an immigrant. So those pictures really depict how the process works and like the downsides of it, but also the good things at the same time.
So, in this book, the absence of any written descriptions puts the reader into the migrant's character. There's no guidance to how the images can be interpreted, so we seek meaning and familiarity on our own. As far as the artistic style, Tan uses pencil and shading to create the images in the book. He uses very little digital editing for the images. The book is monochromatic, and he uses color very sparingly. A different color palette is used to showcase the stories of each of the people from each story, from the protagonist that occurs. He highlights the difference between the current story and the flashbacks. Tan wants to use double page spread to show a connection to the story. So that's what I have for the image interpretation.
So the pictures in the graphic novel are square with a vintage washstand. I think this brings out the dramatic scenes of the book and makes the reader get more into the setting. And then the pictures are well played out and easy to follow when going through the novel. And on certain pages there is more than one picture, but it doesn't give too much space in between them, so you kind of aren't focused on the pictures more. Wait. There's little space in between the pictures, so you could focus on the pictures and not the space in between.
And the pictures that include people show great emotion because they are close-up drawings and you are able to see the emotion closely on their face. And overall, I think the graphic novel hits many points on being an effective graphic novel in schools and classrooms. That's all I have.
All right. Is that everything you got? All good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'll stop it.